Here's the campsite. Getting ready to leave the next morning. There's my little campsite. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Gonna have to come back here, spend some time here and explore this place. Thanks very much to Dave for organising this and showing it to me. He's up there somewhere. Leave the campground this morning and we're off for some more adventures. I'm going to join in a couple and then gonna have to make my way home. That's right. Had quite an amazing time. Just putting all our envelopes with the money in so we pay for our camping. It's too late, too dark when we got back last night. Ooh, this looks promising. Well, on a scale of 1 to 10 where 1 is expert and 10 isn't, I think some of these guys at some of these trails are up near a 1 and I'm somewhere around 11. I was quite daunted by the thought of this weekend. I think I'm realising why, but at the same time, it's experience. You may notice I'm rarely standing up. That's because I was standing up when I crashed. And it freaked the shit out of me because there's no putting your foot down to save it when you're standing on the pegs and you come down very hard. And I got some theories as to why that could have contributed to how I crashed or how I was doing it wrong, but I haven't worked it out yet. So, not standing on the pegs too much. Beautiful country up here. Still on the Great Dividing Range, I'm sure. The air is as thin as a musician's wallet. At least I've warmed up a bit now. I just haven't done this enough to jump on and go. It's always a warm-up period. I can find the back of the pack again. Well, this is a nice road. Even I can ride this one. A bit of high country sparse trees and grasslands. Beautiful. I saw lots of kangaroos. Oh, it reminds me of when Mr. Oz and I were up here at Glenland Dam and riding around this time of day, you're just looking at the long grass wondering when a roo's going to pop out. You start seeing them when they're not there and everything, and just the shadows. That was a big bunch of kangaroos went across, eh?
That's the second mob I've seen.
Yeah.
In that long grass, they just come out of it.
Yeah, they're invisible until they jump, eh?
Yeah.
So yeah, I guess to sum up the off-road riding we've done, yeah, it was quite a way out of my comfort zone at times, but much appreciation to the whole group who were quite happy for me to do it my way at my own pace. I was encouraged and helped to do so, so good on them. Big thanks to Dave and Karen for organising, Karen being the sweep, babysitting me as such, and all of them. It's been great. Made a couple of new mates as well, I'm sure, that will last. Riding buddies. So I'm not sure I'll hinder them with my presence on too many of their heavy rides, but I'll certainly take part in some, even sections maybe, or whatever. Looks like we're going somewhere else exciting. In retrospect, I was insane for running a knobbly on the back and a road tyre in the front. It was just a poor substitute for what I'd needed. Of course, it was because I couldn't afford more than one tyre at a time. But yeah, this is so much better. It's not even an extreme off-road tyre I've got in the front, but yeah, it's just tracking so much better. Oh, you can. Oh, I missed something. Ah. Right. This is where I'm parting company with the group. They're going on for more adventures. It's been awesome riding with them all. They've been very patient with me, very friendly, and met one guy here, Peter, who said, "Do you know 2B1 on Rory? I met him at Marie." What a small world. He's even got a 2B sticker on the back of his bike. There you go. So where we come to is an old, disused and deserted tobacco drying setup. It's got this whole setup here for drying the tobacco. That's what these sheds apparently are. It's in a bit of a state of disrepair. Let's go check some of it out, eh? So they've all got chimneys in them. I imagine they used to have some sort of heating in there to dry the tobacco. Watch out for Joe Blake's. Seen better days. But they got just a simple shed and these beams to lay the tobacco leaves on, I guess, and dry them out. This one looks almost intact, maybe. Ah, yeah. Wow. Looks like one of the old heater type things. Chimney, stand for the heater over there, maybe. That's very cool. This is the sort of country it's in. Well, that was an awesome weekend. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Everybody ride safe.